Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a shop card shout out. A few of these shop cards arrived a number of weeks ago and the shout outs are much too much overdue. So, and I also have a build announcement. I think I've announced it once or twice already, but we're going to announce it officially again. Um, well, anyways, let's get right into it. So the first shop card, I've got some notes here because I like to take notes. I like to do a little bit of an outline on the channels. First shop card we've got here is for Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. Really nice shop card there. Whoop, I'm covering up one of his builds. Hold up here. Really nice shop card there. It's got 6 of his builds on it. It's got a beautiful landscape photo. And Joe, thank you for your words on the back of your card there. So Joe actually started What Did You Buy Wednesday. You probably saw one of my recent ones, and I got another one probably coming out in about a month, I'm guessing. 3 weeks to a month. So he started What Did You Buy Wednesday? Great segment. He's done a great job with it. Other people have jumped on and participated. I participate when I can. I don't buy enough stuff to have a weekly What Did You Buy Wednesday? But I do buy enough stuff to probably do like a monthly What Did You Buy Wednesday? Um, he So Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop has just over 1,000 subs. He has about 345-ish, 350 videos. So there's a lot of content that you can work back through. Um, plenty of stuff to watch. His channel is about a year old, from what I can tell. And if I'm wrong about that, please feel free to correct me. He does group builds, and he's currently in a buddy build um, with Road Cinderella. I can't remember the other one. It's probably like 11 o'clock at night here, and I've been up. Our kids are kind of battling colds, so I was up a little bit through the night last night. So I apologize if I'm not 100% here. Um, the next one we have is from Manny's Scale Modeling. Manny reached out to me a while back, a little bit before Christmas actually. And I know he sent me 2 cards. One either got lost in the shuffle, or I don't know, maybe it got opened amongst all our Christmas cards and got lost. But anyway, I'm sorry. But this is a great looking card. There's his card, and once again, I'm covering up. There's his. I believe that's his email address. But I'll post the links for all these channels in the description below. And look at these great builds. They're such nice builds, and he also he has a lot of gallery products. I love gallery. They haven't sponsored my actually nobody sponsored my channel, which is just fine. But thank you to Manny for the kind words on the back of this card here. Manny does a lot of tutorials. He's done a recent tutorial on rusting. I've recently got into rusting. I've watched the tutorial segment that he did. It's 4 or 5 videos long. It's a really good watch. It's well worth going over there, especially if you want to get into rusted or weathered builds, patina. I've learned a lot from the guy. I will continue to follow his channel. Um, he does What Did You Buy Wednesdays. He does group builds. His channel is just over 2,000 subs, so he's been very successful on YouTube. And so go over there and take a look at him. Give him another sub. Maybe we can push him out to 2,500 or 3,000. His channel looks like it's about 3 years old. Plenty of content to watch through. Plenty of good stuff to learn from him. Uh, right around 300 videos. So good stuff. So, and then finally we have another wonderful builder, probably my closest neighbor out of these two. We have Dirt Road Cinderella. Great builder. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I really like this here. I like the big rigs. I have, I think, one big rig, and I love that log truck. So I'll probably be looking for one of those in the future. I really like that log truck. And look at these up top here. They're so nice. And thank you, Tiffany. Um, and thank you to your whole family. I know that your whole family is involved in this endeavor of yours. It sounds like you all like you have help in videoing and editing, and I'm trying to get my kids involved in it right now. And I just think it's so great to have family support in this hobby. Uh, my wife supports me in this hobby, and that's a huge thing. That's a huge thing. So to me, that's great. First off, I love those animated thumbnails. I think you have some of the coolest thumbnails out there. Um, so Tiffany does a lot of group builds and does buddy builds. Um, she currently is hosting the Bootleggers Ball group build with RKD Scaleworks, and so I know I talked a little bit when I did the unboxing. I've recently painted this beast up. I am going to officially enter the Bootleggers Ball group build. This vehicle is fully painted except for my still. It's getting a portable still back here. I got some really cool ideas for the whole build. Um, videos are going to be coming out probably within the next 3 weeks to a month. Uh, Probably 2, 3 videos for this build series, and I'm jumping in. I can't help myself. Um, actually, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and build a bootlegger video vehicle, and I'm excited about it. So she does a bunch of tutorials as well as the other channels I just mentioned. She also does like rusting and weathering tutorials. Um, Tiffany is headed toward 2,000 subs, so if you haven't checked out her channel, go over there, check it out, and give her some subscriptions, give her some likes, give her some comments. I've never commented on any of these builders' videos without them getting back to me, and so toss her a comment. You know, it's nice to have the interaction. It looks like her channel is probably about 3 years old with a lot of content. She has, and when she does her content, she really breaks down her videos and really talks about what she's doing. Like the dart build last year, it just come to my mind with the slant six. Uh, just there's so much that these builders offer. If you are an up and coming builder, if you're thinking about building your own channel, you would be at a loss to not go over and subscribe to all these channels. So here they are. Once again, we got the Big Sky Model Workshop. We got Manny's Scale Modeling. And we have Dirt Road Cinderella. Go give them a like, give them a subscribe, and show your support. Start your own channel. It'll be fun. So that'll close out this video. Till we see each other again. Everyone out there be safe. Everyone be blessed. And thank you for watching.